Gigabyte is widely known for manufacturing motherboards and computer peripherals. Intel and AMD, world leaders in processor technology, use Gigabyte-designed motherboards. Of late, Gigabyte started manufacturing laptops as well and delivers nicely designed and well-thought machines. Gigabyte delivers some of the high-end gaming configurations through its subsidiary Aorus and some budget-friendly devices under Gigabyte brand. Gigabyte holds a very small amount of market share in the laptop industry, but their products are amazing and eye-catching. The GIGABYTE AERO 15X V8-BK4 is also one of the gaming laptops from a wide range of gaming laptops from Gigabyte. Intel's new Coffee Lake processor launched in notebooks quite a while ago, but in April 2018 it officially comes to the laptops as well. The new processor Core i7 and Core i9 with Hexa-Core technology process up to 12 threads simultaneously, delivering unmatched speed, swift processing, and smooth picture quality. Every manufacturer wants to launch their products with this newest processor as early as possible to take advantage of updated technology. Gigabyte also doesn't want to lag behind in this race, hence introduced GIGABYTE AERO 15X V8-BK4 gaming laptop. This system boasts up with some of the top-rated hardware configurations available in the market. So, unleash your gaming attitude, dive into the ocean of new thinking and possibilities with Toshiba AERO 15X gaming laptop. Gigabyte and Aorus possess almost same designing for their respective laptops. Gigabyte puts features and functions over style, whereas Aorus provides you sleek and stealth fighter design to create a niche for themselves. Both brands offer different styling, but there will be no compromise on the performance. It is very tough to choose anyone between two of them. Simple yet elegant remains a philosophy of Gigabyte gaming laptops. There are no flashy colors or LEDs used to differentiate this laptop from normal laptops. In fact, you can't shy away to carry this laptop to your college, business meeting, workplaces, or any coffee shop. On the top, you can get very new technology in chassis manufacturing. Precise machine tools with the help of CNC, computer numeric control, creates well-designed chassis around the laptop. The nano-imprint lithography triangle on the back provides in-depth durability and unique styling to the laptop. Gigabyte branding is lying on the top. The Black Series crafted with passion and engineered with high-end hardware configuration. Open the lid, you can notice very thin bezels around the screen which looks beautiful. The RGB Fusion keyboard provides different colors with the varied key press. You can get more than 16.7 million color options with the help of personalized macros. This keyboard is an key rollover equipped, which gives you the flexibility of 80 simultaneous key presses. The trackpad is responsive. A lot of free space providing alongside trackpad for palm rest. That display is one of the USP of this gaming laptop. You can get stunning visuals on 5mm ultra-thin bezel 15.6-inch display through NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics chipset. In addition to that, there is 8 GB GDDR5 dedicated video memory with NVIDIA's Max-Q design to enhance the picture quality. The FHD display with 144Hz refresh rate IPS panel offers you 1920x1080 pixels resolution. Isn't that amazing? X-Rite backbone technology ensures accurate colors throughout entire gaming sessions. Wide viewing angles give you amazing picture quality in varied circumstances as well.